Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Balaji Kosuri. The question is find the volume of hemisphere of radius 3.5. So let us take a look on this hemisphere. This is a hemisphere and 3.5 centimeter of radius. So our aim is to find the volume of hemisphere. The formula for the volume of hemisphere is V equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So where pi is 22 by 7 and r is the 3.5. Let's substitute those values and we get 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 whole cube. So after solving that, so we get this 89.83 centimeter cube. The units for this volume is centimeter cube. And the final answer is V equals to 89.83 centimeter cube. Thank you.